Here's how you can place an order on the Shein app using an iPhone. Placing an order is not that complicated. So try out this quick guideline to place an order on the Shein app. So let's dive in. First, to place an order, open the Shein app. Make sure you've already logged in to the Shein app or website. Now you select your product. Tap on the product. Again, tap on the product again. Now select color and size and tap Add to Cart. After that, you will find the cart icon on the top right corner. Tap on it. Now tap on Checkout and select Shipping Method here. Now check everything properly, such as your address and your payment method. After this, tap Continue to Payment. Now enter your card number, expiry date, CVV. After that, if you want to save this card number for future use, then tap on Remember this card number for future use. And if you want to check the billing address, again, then tap on the billing address again otherwise. Tap on Place the Order. An order will be placed. So, this is how you can place the order from the Shein app. Thank you so much for watching. If you found this tutorial helpful, then give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to our channel.